Okay friends, I am all set with my fourth file, that is attribute value selector.html. Inside this chapter 3, that is element selection folder. In this boilerplate code, I have your title attribute value selector. In line number 6, I am loading jQuery library, and from line number 7 to line number 11, I have another script tag. Inside this, I am saying when document is ready, call this anonymous callback function. Now inside body, I am going to have an input button. I'm going to assign it value as select. Simply select, and then I'm going to have a line break. After this line break, I'm going to have two divs. To first div, I'm going to assign the title attribute, and the value of this title attribute is first. Inside this div, I'm going to assign the text as the first div. I'm going to copy this div and paste once again with different title, that is second, and the text inside the second div is the second div. Okay, now I'm going to assign an ID to this button as well. So ID is equal to btn. Now what do I want here is, if somebody is clicking this button, then from among these two divs, that div will get selected which has title attributes value as first, and the text will be alerted in alert box. So let's go inside this document.ready function, select the button by ID. So I'm going to say as btn and assign a click event handler function to this button, and in this click event handler function, inside this callback anonymous function, I'm going to say alert, and inside this alerts parameter, I'm going to simply select the div. But which div? I'm going to select that div which has the title attribute set as first, and then gonna call here HTML method. This HTML method will simply grab the text inside this div, selected div, and which div is selected this time? That div which has title attributes value set as first, and here is the div having title attribute as first. So this text will be alerted right here. So let's go ahead, run this file. So here we have the text of the two divs, that is the first div, the second div, and a button. If I click this button, look, this first div will be selected, and the text inside this div will get alerted. So click on the select button. Look, the text from the first div is alerted here.